Hey guys, it's Full Flop here back with another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Binance. This is beginner's tutorial guide to how to use Binance. And look, I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016, so I've been using different exchanges. I've been using Binance for 3 years now. Okay, so I know Binance very well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you ins and outs on Binance, what you need to know if you're a very beginner. I'm going to show you all the strategies and all the tactics on how to use this platform. Now the first step is obviously to sign up on Binance. You can find that sign up a link in the description. You can save 20% when you go using that link. And yeah, it's free to sign up on Binance, by the way. But anyway, after you have signed up, this is the first page that you will see. You will see here buy and sell cryptocurrency in minutes. Join the world's largest cryptocurrency by now. Okay, this is the first page you will there. As you see, here are the latest news from Binance. Okay, you can check them out if you want. And here are the top cryptocurrencies right now. Okay, and you can see we have more markets here if you want. But yeah, Binance also has mobile app, desktop, and desktop. I'm currently using it on desktop. The mobile app works also really well. Great thing about Binance is that they also have customer support. So like you can see, I can click it, so you can get 24/7 customer support. If you have any problems, they will help you. Also Binance blog, community, and careers. Okay, so that's basically it. That's the first page. Now we get into the nitty gritty. Okay, so whenever when you create your Binance account, you will be given your own cryptocurrency Binance wallet. So when you go to overview, you can see your whole wallet here. Okay, here you can see your whole wallet, but I like to go with fiat and spot and to see, like, here are the coins that I currently have on my Binance account. And that's how you, whenever you basically buy cryptocurrencies or get cryptocurrencies or trade or sell cryptocurrencies, all the cryptocurrencies will show up right here, right? Okay, so it's like a physical wallet, but all the coins will show up right here. Now if you already have some cryptocurrencies, you can deposit them here. So click deposit, and here you can deposit fiat, okay, bank transfer, bank card, or you can deposit cryptocurrencies. So when you click the coin here, they have here all the coins you can deposit. Okay, so basically just for example, if you want to deposit, for example, let's say that you want to deposit Cardano, just click here and boom, you have your Cardano address here that you could just copy, and you can send the Cardanos there. Okay, that's how it works. And if you want to withdraw, do other exchange or whatever, all you have to do is the same here. Just put the address here and then just withdraw it. Okay, and remember the transfer network, and just use when you're depositing cryptocurrencies or depositing the cryptocurrencies anywhere, it will show you like what network you should use. But anyway, that's beyond this tutorial. It's very easy. I know that you know how to do that, and if not, just comment down below and I will help you. Okay, that's basically all you have to know. And there's also transfer, but that's basically all you have to know when it comes to cryptocurrencies and your wallet. You have to know how to deposit, how to deposit, how to get cryptocurrencies in your Binance wallet, and how to withdraw, how to get cryptocurrencies out of your wallet, and how to like, where are the cryptocurrencies are all. Okay, so they are right here. Now I want to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies. Okay, so to buy cryptocurrencies, you can come here, buy crypto. I'm currently in Europe, so it will say euros here, but you can buy cryptos with bank deposit, credit and debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, and third-party payments. I've been using bank deposit, credit and debit card, and third-party payments by Simplex, and they work all like this. All of these work, but currently I've been using just credit and debit card because, for the simple fact that it's very easy to use. Okay, it's very easy to use. And let's go ahead and click that. Okay, so here you can buy cryptocurrency straight up with your credit card. Okay, so it's very easy. I mean, like I said, I've been in cryptocurrencies 2016, and when at that point I was buying cryptocurrencies, it wasn't as easy as this. Okay, let me tell you that. So basically all you have to do here is select how much you want to buy, but before that you can come here and click the coin, and these are the cryptocurrencies that you can buy straight up with your credit card. Okay, Now, like you can see, there are not all of the cryptocurrencies are not here, and that's because like when you want to buy cryptocurrencies, the thing is with cryptocurrencies, it's still so early. So you have to first buy, for example, Bitcoin, and then trade that Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's keep going on. So let's say that you want to buy Bitcoin. You can buy any of these cryptocurrencies here, whatever you want. But in this video, we are going to buy Bitcoin. So select how much you want, how much Bitcoin you want to buy. And then here you can see here how to buy with bank card. So you just select how much you want to buy. Like you can put whatever here, how much you want to buy, and after that just click buy BTC, and then it will confirm payment details and complete safety certification, and then it's complete payment. It takes a minute to do it, and after that, when you go to your wallet, the Bitcoin you just bought or any other of these cryptocurrencies will show up right here on your wallet. Right here, it will show up right here. Okay, so now you have successfully bought Bitcoin or any of those cryptocurrencies that are available there to purchase straight up with your credit card. Okay, and now to trade that Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is go to trade, go to classic, and here's the exchange. And basically you can buy any cryptocurrencies here that are currently on Binance. So let's say click the search and type in Bitcoin. So now I just showed you how I bought some Bitcoin with credit card, and now we can start trading with that Bitcoin. We can trade that Bitcoin into any of these currencies that are there. Okay, let's say that you want to buy Luna. So let's click Luna/BTC. These are basically pairings. So this means that this is Loom and BTC pairing. This is LRC and BTC pairing. This is Kava/BTC pairing. And what this means is that you are now trading Luna to Bitcoin. Okay, here are sell orders, people who are selling Luna, and here are buying orders, people who are buying Luna. And as currencies, we are using Bitcoin in these trades. Okay, that makes sense. And right, it's very easy to understand, as you just like understand what these people are selling it and they are buying it. And we are now buying the Luna. So we are here buy Luna. So here are limit order and market buy. So limit means that if you think, for example, that the price is going to drop, you can come here and type in the price that you are willing to pay for Luna. But look, if the price doesn't drop to this, your order will not go through. Okay, so that's why I don't use limit. I just go with market buy, which basically means that Binance will give you the best pricing, the lowest pricing possible at the moment, and you will get your cryptocurrencies instantly. And that's what I like, and that's what I like to use. So when it says here buy Luna, now we are trading the Bitcoin that we just bought with our credit card and trading that into Luna. Okay, that makes sense, right? So all we have to do is scroll here, and when we, for example, put 100%, that means that we are now selling 100% of the Bitcoins we own and trading that into Luna. Of course, you don't want you don't have to do that. You can, for example, sell 30% of your Bitcoins and trading that into Luna. Okay, you decide how much you sell, how much Bitcoin you sell, and after that, when you click buy Luna, the trade will execute and it will sell the Bitcoin and you will get the Luna coins. Okay, so now you can do this with everything. Let's imagine that I just bought the Luna now I can come here and start trading the Luna. Okay, I can sell the Luna for BNB. Let's click here Luna/BNB, and when I go to market and sell Luna, I can just select how much I want to sell and click sell Luna, and it will now sell all of my Luna coins and trade that into BNB coins. So now you can see, now you can trade all of the cryptocurrencies, but you first have to have some cryptocurrencies in your Binance account, and you can do that by credit and debit card or bank deposit or any of these, but I like to use credit or debit card because it's so easy and fast. Okay, and that's how you can buy any cryptocurrency on Binance. And that's how you can buy cryptocurrencies and trade crypto. That's basically how you can trade, buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's very easy, and now you basically have that's basically all you need to know when it comes to Binance. You now know how to create the account, so you can find the link in description. Then you know that you have a wallet here that will, all of the cryptocurrencies will show up here. Then you know how to deposit. So if you have cryptocurrencies in other exchanges, you can get the cryptocurrencies right here on your Binance account. And then if you want to withdraw these cryptocurrencies, you can do it here or you can do it here. Okay, just click it and you can withdraw it. And then you can trade. You can trade cryptocurrencies as much as you want. Okay. And that's basically the tutorial here. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and subscribe to my channel for daily cryptocurrency videos, and also hit the like button if you found this video helpful. That would help me so much. And also leave comments if you have any problems with this. I will help you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.